In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Outlook email data. This walkthrough focuses on the Outlook desktop app because that's where this feature lives. If you're using Outlook on the web or on a mobile device, you won't see the options we're about to use. Go ahead and open Outlook on your computer. From there, head to the File menu. In the window that opens, choose Open and Export, and then select Import/Export. This opens Outlook's Import and Export wizard, which is the built-in tool for saving a copy of your data. When the list of actions appears, choose Export to a file. This tells Outlook you want to create a file copy of your information. Next, pick Outlook data file, or .pst. A PST file is a single portable container that holds your messages, folders, and attachments. It's a convenient format for backups and can be imported back into Outlook later if you ever need to restore your emails. Now it's time to choose what to include. Select your main mailbox in the list. To make sure you don't miss anything tucked away in nested folders, check the box labeled Include Subfolders. That way, Outlook captures your entire folder structure and all the messages inside, from inbox and sent items to any custom folders you've created. Before you proceed, take a moment to consider size. If your mailbox is large or if you keep lots of attachments, the backup file can grow quickly. Make sure you have enough free space on your drive so the export can complete without interruption. Larger exports may take a while, so it's a good idea to let Outlook run until it finishes. As you finalize the export, you'll be prompted to add a password. This step is optional, but it's a smart security layer if the backup contains sensitive conversations or files. Choose something you can remember and keep it in a safe place. You'll need it to open the PST later. Once you've set the password, click OK to confirm and start the backup process. That's it. Outlook will create your PST file based on the folders you selected, preserving your emails and their structure. When the process completes, you've got a reliable snapshot of your mailbox that you can store safely or move to another device if needed. And you're done. A straightforward, secure way to back up your Outlook email data on the desktop app. If this was helpful, make a habit of backing up regularly so your messages stay protected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.